I'm saying you as if you're gonna do this. This is just for the fun of 10,000 subscribers so people can stop getting on me about my hair.
Hello and welcome back to Capo TV, the only channel where we just hit over 10,000 subscribers, in large part due to a video about how to make school go by faster. I made this video over 2 years ago and it is still pulling in the views, but something is wrong with that video. Something's wrong with me, because a lot of the comments, yeah, there's over 3,000 comments on that video, but a chunk of them, they're about my hair. You know why? Because in that video, it was the old days. That was over 2 years ago. That's when we were still renting this house down in the middle of nowhere. It had an extra bedroom. I made that my studio. I had a green screen hung on the wall behind me because that was all the rage. That's what I was really into, using the green screen. And because of that, I had to have a certain lighting set up in order to make the green screen not cast a green reflection around my body. For whatever reason, everyone just assumed that my hair was soaking wet. And I'm not gonna go back through and try to find each individual comment, but I remember a few that I've responded to that said, when you just came in from a rainstorm and you're like, F it, let's make a video. Or one recently that got a lot of likes for this person was asking me if I owned a hair dryer. And some of those comments have spawned comment threads underneath of them about what is going on with my hair. Is it just soaking wet all the time? What kind of product do I use? And today, I want to show you guys a little behind the scenes about my hair.
This is how my hair starts in the morning, dry, kind of poofy, and it's usually this way in the mornings. That's when I do my hair. Duh. This is what I'm currently using to do my hair. I'm only using it right now because it's the cheapest thing that I could find, because Walmart and the dollar store are usually sold out of the gel that I like to use. Step one is that I soak my hair. Once it's all soaking wet, I usually wring it out just once. Get all that excess water out. Then I get the towel, dry it a little bit. You don't want it too wet when you're putting the gel in. Apply the product. You only need a small amount. I'm saying you as if you're gonna do this. This is just for the fun of 10,000 subscribers so people can stop getting on me about my hair. This is all the gel amount that I usually use. That's all it takes, especially when my hair is somewhat cut. I got it cut about 3 weeks ago, so it's almost due for a new one. But that little bit, that's all I need. Rub it around, put it in your hair, slick it back. Make sure you get full coverage. I do one of these if you want to see it up close and personal. Usually wipe it all back like this, and then I slowly bring it forward, get it spiky. I used to wear my hair spiky when I was really young, but not so much anymore. So, at that point, all I do is use my fingers. See, no comb, no brush involved. Just use my fingers to push it down into its natural habitat, its natural places. The front of my hair, I've got this huge cowlick here that I've had for my entire life, so just do the best I can to get these little front pieces gelled up, gelled out, whatever you want to think of it like. And then, it looks pretty good to me. That's it. That's all it takes. It took, I don't know how long it took. It might have taken longer because I'm trying to explain it. My hands are a little jelly, so you just rinse them, wash them, scrub them off, get them all nice and good to go. And then, once this is all finished with, in about, I don't know, 20 minutes, this isn't going to be wet anymore. So when you're looking at my videos and you say, oh man, why is your hair so wet? It's not. It's actually crunchy. See? That's how it looks. And even now, you know, it does look wet. It's the kind of look I'm going for. I just want it to stay in place all day while I'm out there moving stuff, picking it up, putting it down, driving all around town. All right, let's go back to the bedroom studio.
What more can I say? That's how I do my hair, and I hope that that explanation puts an end to all the comments about my hair in that how to make school go by faster video. And once again, thank you all for subscribing. Thank you for bringing this channel up to 10,000 subscribers. And thank you for all the future subscribers who hit that button and await the day when I start posting regular videos once again. Because you know I'm still watching this channel and responding to comments. And as always, thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.